Hello. Here's the entrance. Oh, nice. Traditional dance. Yo, what's up mga junkie? Party pala namin ngayon.
Hey, who's from mobile?
Who's that mobile?
Yeah.
Oy, who's that mobile?
Siraj.
Kay Siraj pala yan.
Yan, direct.
Pupunta ng party oh.
So much people still.
Why? You told me not to come.
Francis, Nabo.
I no come, I go just that.
Huh? Good drama ra.
Pathan में था इतनी
Pupunta ng party.
Para GM oh.
Oh.
General Manager.
Where's Francis?
Philippine, why?
Yeah, me.
Why?
Where's Francis?
You mafi malu.
Oh.
Yada. Hasan.
Driver manager Hasan. Look like. Oh, I see. Mashallah. Oh. Yan, mga ka-junkie, flat pa tayo. Oh! You check all? Only one? Only one hole?
Yesterday also one tire puncture left there.
Mabilis lang eh. Oh. Galing. Oh, mas pasta. Uy. Luckily we came here, huh? If Bapi came here, problem. But the best outfit for today is Francis. Francis! You're the best costume for today, huh? Oh, Ghana outfit. Oh, mashallah, Ghana outfit. Sitwasyon sa mga naplatan. Buti na lang nandito kami. Bumili kami ng pagkain. Buti nakita na yan ni Paul. Na-flat yung tire. Hindi, delikado yun sa highway. Mabilis pa naman yung takbo. Thank you Lord. Buti na lang. Sabi ng Panginoon siguro na dumaan muna kayo ng tindahan. Kasi sakto may ano, may shop dito. Sakto may shop, di ba? Ginagayad pa rin tayo ng ating kita-kits. Thank you. Hoy.
10 minutes.
Ha?
1 minute.
Not possible for this.
Syada. Is na po wearing a Philippine jacket, ha? Oh.
From this Manila.
Is from Manila.
Manila.
Ha? Oh, this one Timo, ah? Timo?
Yes.
Ha?
Yes.
This is the best outfit for today. Oh, Francie. Tapos din kalas. Chalo, kalas.
Gutom. Tinapay.
What does that see get you?
Oh, tinapay.
And then you have my papa na masan.
Gutom na.
Which is spectacular. It's a bit down.
Wow,
Let's go for air.
sa berry. Gutom. Pagjanggit ito dito sa mamaya. Pinsar,
Small mix.
Sapko.
This is not Sapko. I think we have friends. Petrokimia.
Check all the big. See? It's mentioned there.
Petrokimia.
Petrokemia. See why you think it's all this one mix.
They have different companies.
Yeah.
This is the whole area is my route for DHL. All.
Thomas Triera.
Sa top yung katabi ng mga.
Goal mana. Glass is here. After I pick you, party finish. beach. Anyone like to go?
Where area? This one? Al Nakil.
Wala siguro.
This one here. This one here.
Al Nakil.
Nakil.
Crater. Al Nakil.
Here.
Nakil.
Dito na yung ngits padrek eh. Dito na yung ngits trek. Ah, wala tayo eh. May ano, may lambat to.
Wala na siguro isda dyan. Marami.
Marami dyan.
Kaya kami namingwit na nakaraan.
Meron nga lang baby shark.
Gabi.
May bantay na yun.
Sino ang bawat namingwit? Bawat dyan yung pagkakabit ng net.
I will give $1. Don't shake your head, huh?
May sinasabi ko, dami pasyalan dito, oh. Saan? Putang ina, gagala talaga ako. Malapit na lang natin dyan. Yayo.
Malayo dito.
Kasi, very far.
How many minutes?
We are here.
How many? Keep.
Yeah, that is the place.
That is the place. No need turn right. This place, this one already kalas.
Oh, yan yung dati, yung ano,
Mora.
sobrang lamig. Yan tayo.
You know why they put here? They want to absorb all Talkeetna food.
Driver no good.
No, you know why they put here? Food no good. Only in one area, kalas. From here,
This one,
no
this one.
And there was a guy
this
who
one.
went to somewhere they make tent.
Yeah.
You remember?
This is different.
Area
This is
natin.
different.
Yes, another place that was tent.
But this one, inside you go down.
This hotel keder? Maybe mapital keder ha?
I know this one.
But this area no good, you know, because Modir separate. Modir they have different.
This is 2 years ago, before coming.
Yeah, here Modir different years.
Yeah, Modir different place. This area.
Yeah, we didn't want to feel alone.
Yeah.
We are nobody. But here also have nice places
But
for
here
pictures.
today problem
We have some
Martin.
background there.
National, it's very nice, and then you miss.
Oh.
Driver don't know road. Don't take the phone. See? Even here he will get
Ay,
missed.
nandito na rin sa wakas. Gate 1.
See,
Oh, see, he
don't know
missed.
where to go. He don't know where to go.
They will blame again.
Gate already here, and he don't know. Oh, this is exit. Oh, this is exit gate.
They don't know where to go.
Oh, why forklift here?
Oh, walidera. Forklift training, forklift training.
Go there for left.
See, this is the food area, see?
Now
Already
meaning
started.
all this program started and finished.
Yeah. Already started, I believe. Already started.
Important already here.
Gamam warehouse don't know where to go.
Forklift the camel.
Go there backside. Always parking there before.
This is what I was saying.
Oh.
left.
Drifting ah. What is this?
Now you giving phone?
No need.
Ha? Buko, ha?
Kaya mo ni siya no security aga.
Dito tayo, dito entrance. Yeah, that's why there no. Front side. Lakad, late na. Late na.
Anything. Gamam warehouse. This driver is the same manager. See,
This manager.
We will suspend this driver. He's not good. He doesn't take location before moving. What is before? I am driver.
May andito mga forklift, dito yung tangke. Uy, camel. Camel ah. See already close. Year-end celebration 2025. Hello. Where's the entrance? Oh, nice.
Thank you. Danny Argan Oguera.
Piniers. Mga piniers yan. Covering face yan. Ba number? Dito na tayo sa raffle. Ito yung number ko.
Mr. Makhluf bin Zahir.
408. So sana manalo tayo sa pagkakataon na ito. After 12 years. You will win the TV?
Yeah, the TV.
Will win the TV, oy.
Lucky winner.
Marty, I will win the TV. Sana manalo tayo. For the last year.
Number 51.
Oh, 51. Layo ah.
51.
408 tayo.
Congratulations.
408. Good luck sana. Bago man tayo matapos sa company na to, panalo tayo. Wish luck. Madrid?
You need to do like this.
Walang chance, pangatlo na.
Congratulations.
Puro mababa ngayon nabubunot.
What's your name and which side?
Lamam, mapi. Marty,
Congratulations.
tas niya on side. Number 9, 16. Alayo natin, no? 408.
Smile, brother.
It's my brother.
Thank you, brother.
Nakatanggap na ng
Mr. Khalid, please come to the stage.
raffle. Hindi pa tumawa.
No, no, careful.
Ay, TV. TV. Sila na kaya yan?
131.
Oh, 131.
131.
Aray ko.
131.
Lahi pa natin, oh. 408.
131.
Wish me luck. Mga kadyong.
131.
Dami niyan.
We have a winner here. Congratulations. Khalid. Khalid يهدي خالد. مبيوع. مبسوط إن شاء الله. تستاهل. Congratulations خالد. خالد.
Lucky raffle. Ang nanalo ng biggest prize TV. Oh. Oh, sana all. Hindi talaga tayo pinalad. Oh, shark. Oh, shark the hunter. Shark na yun ng ano ah. TV oh. TV yan. TV.
Nice TV. Congratulations.
Oh, good. Congrats. Wala na. Yan na yung last. Hindi tayo pinalad. Pinalad. Aray ko.
Are you ready, guys? Are you ready, guys?
Malas talaga mga jibki.
I don't hear anything.
Ito isa, malas din
Still
isa eh.
sleeping.
Malas. Malas.
Are you
Marty.
ready?
Marty. Ready, forward.
Ese. Ese.
Traditional dance. Sayo-sayo pa sila. Gutom na ako. Tagal ng kainan. Wasak kainan. Bus namin, palitingin. Baka pasayawin kami doon. Uy, hide, hide. Tiga. Sila. Yaro. How are you? Good. Good, huh? Oh, mashallah. Ay, sorry. Biryani na eh. Ha? Panggabi ako? Panggabi ka rin? Panggabi din ako eh. Pila. Ayos lang. Ngayon lang ako mag-vlog eh. Ha? Ngayon lang ako mag-vlog. YouTube. Live lang, live. Ah, dami palang ano, cater oh. Kain na.
Kami pag nakasalubong natin sila kami.
Kain.
Nakaraan masarap kasi dahon ano.
Oh, kita ya. Kebab. Salad.
Pag salad nila, hindi masarap eh. Kapag natin nahiwa to.
Umaga pa tayo.
Buti na lang kabayan yung nagsiservice na babae. Pwede pa.
Saan kayo pumila? Doon?
Saan ka pumila? Ano yung bag mo? Pagkan?
Walang shirt ah.
Wala nga.
Walang shirt no?
Nahanap ko, yun yung unang hinanap ko eh. Kasi yun lang yung mabubulsa ko eh. Wala.
Nakaraan, may brownies pa yung nakaraan eh.
Pati sa kanin, tinipid. Ayaw nila mabigay ng marami.
Basta kumain. Busog. Parang walang nangyari, ano? Pwede pang bumalik eh. Pwede pang bumalik. Year end. Balik na, uwi na. Ganun lang, kabilis. Ukulele, gitara. Kalas. Thank you. Ito yung camel, oh. Meron pa isa, oh. Hey, my friend. Bawal to, ano, ihawan dito. May baban ka ng 1 million. Makukulong ka. Ito yung pambansang hayop nila, eh. Ito kasi sakay. Camel. Iya, tigidig. Ginawang kabayo. Ayan pa isa. Anong tingin dito, ah? Uy, friend. Relax. Eh. Nadala. Sige, ingat, pre. Tapos na kami at pauwi na. Malamig na, madilim na.
Sa layo ng biyahe, naglatan pa, hayop.
Nag-order na lang sana ng ano? Ng hunger station. Ay! Salamat mga junkie, bye-bye.
Oh, this is Haning. Oh, I miss this area.
Alam mo building mo yan, pero planta, no? Parang syudad ba, pero planta pala.
Dati nung, lalo na pag nasa highway ka, pag tumingin ka dito, parang
Alam mo syudad eh.
wala po rin planta.
Ay, mga apoy. Apoy.
Rider will come.